The LETPOT LPH-Lite Hydroponics System combines a compact indoor garden with app-based controls, making it easy to manage plants from a smartphone over a home Wi-Fi network. Its full-spectrum 24-watt LED panel delivers strong, even light that helps herbs and greens grow noticeably faster and healthier than in a typical windowsill pot. Blue and red focused lighting modes let you fine-tune the spectrum for leafy growth or flowering, which is especially useful if you rotate different crops through the same unit. The 12-pod layout included growing media and bundled nutrients create a true start-to-finish kit that lets beginners plant immediately without hunting for extra supplies. A tall adjustable light bar and a generous 5.5-liter water reservoir support larger plants and allow weeks of low-maintenance growth between refills. The sturdy double-layer body with a smooth resin interior feels durable, cleans up easily, and pairs well with ongoing software updates to keep the system feeling modern over time.